Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Philips 32PFS6939 is connected to the network but has no internet. First of all, let's check the date and time settings on the TV. To do that, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. By the way, check whether or not your time is right. It's showing right here next to the gear icon, and if it's not, then it's most probably the time issue. But still, if you see that the time is right, the date might still be wrong. Basically what we want to do here in region and language is select clock and set the clock to automatic mode. But if automatic mode doesn't detect your time right, we can switch to the manual and set the date and time manually after returning back to the time menu. But most often the automatic clock mode detects time right, so we don't have to really bother it. If the date and time are right, then check your wired or Wi-Fi settings. Here try disabling the Wi-Fi and then re-enabling it after maybe a couple of seconds, or disable it, then go to clear internet memory, then OK. Then return to settings, and by the way, in the meantime, check if other devices that use the same Wi-Fi network, that use the same router, can actually use web services, because if they don't, then it's definitely the router issue and probably the issue on your internet provider side. So you're gonna have to contact them instead in order to get to know when the issue is gonna be fixed, or maybe what you have to do to fix this issue. Now, once you cleared the internet memory, return to the wired or Wi-Fi menu and re-enable the Wi-Fi. Then give your TV a moment to restart the connection. If it doesn't do it by itself, then click connect, then finish, then wait until your TV is reconnected and everything should get back to normal. And if not, we can simply turn off the TV and unplug it from the power source. After that, wait for about a minute and then turn on the TV again. And after your TV turns back on, if the problem still isn't resolved, then press the gear button on your remote control to open quick settings menu and go to help menu. Now here select factory settings. It will reset your TV settings without touching your data, your personal data. And if it doesn't help you, then first of all we can press the gear button once again, and we can also go to troubleshooting menu, but I'm not sure if it's gonna help in any way. But anyway, we can go to help and then check the TV diagnose, where you're gonna have to click start. Your TV will diagnose itself. It will detect your network, or basically you will check whether or not you're still connected to the internet right here. But if you still don't have any internet connection, then it's most probably won't do anything. So instead you can select Reinstall TV in here and perform a factory reset operation, which will erase everything from your TV, all your data, and then you're gonna have to set up your TV again. Once you select Reinstall TV, you're gonna have to enter code. In order to do so, you're gonna have to press 1, 2, 3 button on your remote control to enable the keypad, and then enter the code, and then disable the keypad by pressing 1, 2, 3 button once again, and then select yes to proceed with the factory reset operation. Then just leave your TV turned on for about for maybe a couple of minutes, and it would be better if you also unplug the HDMI connected devices from your TV before you do that. And after the factory reset, after you set up your TV once again, the problem should be gone. If not, then definitely contact your internet service provider, and if they can't help you, then maybe it's either the hardware issue within your TV. So in such case, you have to contact the Philips customer support service, or it can also be just the issue of compatibility between your TV and the Wi-Fi router that you're using. Maybe your router is outdated for this TV. In such cases, you can as well try turning on the portable hotspot on your smartphone, for example, or on your tablet, and try connecting your TV to your Wi-Fi hotspot in settings, in wireless and networks, wired or Wi-Fi. Then connect to network once you have set up the portable hotspot on your smartphone. If you need the guidance, you will most probably find it on our channel on how to enable portable hotspot on your smartphone. Go with wireless, then select your hotspot here and enter the password to it, and click enter to try to connect to it. And if you can actually connect to your portable hotspot on your smartphone and use the internet, then it's definitely the compatibility issue between your TV and your router. And so that's it for this video. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.